Meet the King, the best Kodi build for unmatched performance. Are you looking to supercharge your Amazon Fire Stick with access to unlimited free movies, TV shows, live sports, and more? You're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to install the Diggz Xenon Kodi build on your Fire Stick. By the end of this video, you'll have everything set up, no real Debrid required. And trust me, this build is a game changer for your entertainment system, so stick with me for a bonus tip at the end to optimize your setup. Why should you bother with a Kodi build, and what makes Diggz Xenon so special? Let's break it down. Kodi builds, like Diggz Xenon, take the hassle out of setting up Kodi. Instead of searching for and installing dozens of add-ons manually, a Kodi build comes pre-configured with everything you need: add-ons, skins, and settings optimized for the best streaming experience. Diggz Xenon stands out because of its user-friendly interface and access to a massive library of high-quality content. You can watch movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, and much more, all without needing real Debrid. Whether you're new to Kodi or a seasoned pro, this build saves you hours of configuration and gives you a sleek interface that's easy to navigate. So if you're tired of jumping through hoops to find the right add-ons or struggling with different sources for your streams, Diggz Xenon simplifies everything. And I'm about to show you exactly how to get it installed on your Fire Stick step by step. Before we can install anything on your Fire Stick, there's one key setting that needs to be adjusted. We must make sure your Fire Stick can accept third-party apps like Kodi builds. To allow Kodi to accept third-party add-ons like Diggz Xenon, we first need to enable unknown sources. This will ensure that Kodi can install the necessary files from outside the standard repositories. Here's how to do it. 1. Open Kodi and navigate to the home screen. 2. Click on the settings gear icon. 3. Select System and scroll to Add-ons. 4. Toggle the Unknown Sources option to On and confirm by clicking Yes. By doing this, you've just given Kodi the green light to install the Diggz Xenon build. Now that Kodi is set to accept third-party installations, how do we get the Diggz Xenon build onto your Fire Stick? To install the Diggz Xenon build, we need to first connect Kodi to the Diggz repository. This is like giving Kodi the address where it can find and download the build. Here's how to add the Diggz repository. 1. Go back to the Settings menu and select File Manager. 2. Click on Add Source and select None. 3. Enter the following URL exactly as it appears: http://diggs1.me/diggsrepo/. 4. Name the source something memorable like Diggz. 5. Click OK. Now Kodi knows where to pull the Diggz Xenon build from. Now that we've linked Kodi to the Diggz source, how do we get the repository installed to access the build? The repository is where all the data for the Diggz Xenon build is stored. By installing it, we're opening the door to access the entire build and all the content it provides. Here's how to install the Diggz repository. 1. Go to Settings and then Add-ons. 2. Select Install from Zip file. 3. Find the folder named Diggz, or whatever you named it. 4. Select the file repository.diggs-x, x.zip. 5. Wait for the confirmation that the repository has been installed. At this point, Kodi is ready to pull in the Diggz Xenon build itself. So now that the repository is installed, what's the next step to get the actual build working on your Fire Stick? Now it's time for the main event, installing the Diggz Xenon build. This is the step where you'll get access to all the pre-configured add-ons and content. Here's how to install the Diggz Xenon build. 1. From the Add-ons menu, select Install from Repository. 2. Choose Diggz Repository. 3. Select Program Add-ons and install Chef Wizard. 4. Once installed, run the Chef Wizard and choose the Diggz Xenon free build. 5. Click Continue and let the build download and install. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, restart Kodi to apply the changes and boom, you now have access to the Diggz Xenon build. Now that the Diggz Xenon build is installed, what can you do with it, and how do you maximize its potential? After the installation, you'll see a brand new interface with a ton of features. You now have access to hundreds of add-ons that offer movies, TV shows, live sports, and even international channels. Take some time to explore the build. There are sections for movies, TV shows, sports, and live TV. You can even customize the skin and appearance to suit your personal preferences. It's an all-in-one entertainment hub, and best of all, it's completely free to use without real Debrid. How can you protect your privacy while using Kodi, especially when accessing third-party add-ons? Whenever you're streaming content from unofficial sources, your internet service provider and even some governments may monitor your activity. Not only can this result in throttling your internet speed, but in some cases it could lead to legal issues depending on where you live. To keep your online activity private and secure, it's essential to use a VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN like Vanish encrypts your internet traffic, masking your IP address and making it impossible for your ISP to track your activity. Plus, it helps prevent throttling, giving you a smoother streaming experience. As promised, here's a bonus tip to make your Kodi experience even better. Sometimes Kodi builds can slow down over time, especially if they're filled with too many add-ons. To keep your system running smoothly, make sure to regularly clear your cache and remove any unused add-ons. This will free up space and help Kodi run faster. To do this, go to Addons, then Program Add-ons, and finally Maintenance Tools. From there, you can easily clear your cache and manage installed add-ons. This little maintenance can drastically improve the speed of your system. You now have everything you need to turn your Fire Stick into the ultimate streaming device using the Diggz Xenon Kodi build. Whether it's movies, live TV, or sports, you've unlocked a world of free content. And don't forget the bonus tip: keep your Kodi system clean for optimal performance. Which section of this guide did you find the most helpful? Drop a comment below. If this video made your setup easier, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials on maximizing your home entertainment setup.